Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS news for Friday, September 19. Jamaica can expect at least a 30% reduction in the cost of fuel by 2018, which should save the country $350 million in energy costs. The reductions will come once several energy projects are implemented, starting as early as 2015. Projects include new baseload generating plants. The update was provided by the Electricity Sector Enterprise Team ESET at a media briefing Wednesday. ESET Chairman Dr. Vincent Lawrence said several entities have presented proposals to build, own and operate new power generation and feedstock facilities supplying electrical power to the national grid. The entities include the Jamaica Public Service, Jamalco and Alpart. JPS has proposed to convert the Bogue Power Station in Montego Bay to burn gas by 2015. JPS will also be changing over to liquefied natural gas at its plants at Old Harbour and Hunts Bay. Meanwhile, proposals from Alpart include the development of a new gas facility in 2017, and by 2018, Jamalco's coal-fired cogeneration facility is expected to come on stream. During the construction phase, jobs will be created for 2,400 people. Dr. Lawrence told the media briefing that ESET is now conducting a review of the proposals.
We also plan to commission independent appraisals. We want to be sure that Jamaica receives value for the money, and we want support of our team in negotiations with these people, the project sponsors, to assist us and have those assessments done to satisfy ourselves that what we are recommending, what prices we are settling, what the various things are the best for Jamaica.
In the meantime, Prime Minister Portia Simpson has promised to keep working towards the goal of providing electricity for every home in rural Jamaica. Mr. Simpson made the commitment during Wednesday's commissioning of lights to communities in and around Barry in St. Catherine.
We have 97% coverage. We need to ensure that we have 100% coverage all over Jamaica, that our people will have a better way of life and be able to enjoy the better things of life.
45 homes in and around Barry were wired at a cost of $14 million under the Rural Electrification Program. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson has announced a National Cleanup Day as part of the strategy to control the spread of the Chikungunya virus. He was providing an update to Parliament Wednesday where he outlined the scope of the work being done by his ministry. Dr. Ferguson said among the significant activities taking place was vector control, community fever surveillance and health education.
For the period June to September 12, 2014, larvicidal activities were carried out in 484 communities with 50,887 premises inspected. 84,015 containers were inspected island-wide for mosquito breeding. 24,206 containers were treated by members of the parish health teams. Spraying activities were carried out in 977 communities.
As of September 13, there were 251 suspected cases of the Chikungunya virus. Up to September 16, only 31 were laboratory confirmed. Those suffering from Chikungunya come from 7 parishes: Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Thomas, St. Anne, St. Catherine, St. Mary and Portland. Cabinet has finalized an action plan for the implementation of the Public Sector Transformation Program. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says the action plan will be continuously updated.
As tasks in the plan get completed, new priority tasks will be incorporated into the plan as we continue to implement over the course of the next 3 or more years.
Earlier this month, government signed a loan agreement with the World Bank to assist in the implementation of the Public Sector Transformation Program. Key elements of the program include making it easier for persons to do business and utilizing government's resources more efficiently. The Prime Minister is making good on government's pledge to empower communities. Mrs. Simpson opened the Information Technology Resource and Skills Training Center at Caribbean Palm Estates on Wednesday.
This $6 million IT Resource and Skills Training Center is at the very heart of the new kind of community we are building. It offers hope and opportunity. It offers training not only for today but also for tomorrow.
Funds for the building and equipping of the facility came from the Universal Service Fund, USF. So far, the USF has built and equipped 182 resource centers, with an additional 49 being built and 150 applications to be processed. And finally, the Office of the Public Defender is working with the Ministry of National Security to get the Justice Ministry to change aspects of the Parole Act. Acting Public Defender Matonda Makula made the disclosure as he addressed the recent Jamaica Employers Federation CEO breakfast.
To be fair, the ministry is seized of the importance of reforming this act. And I don't think, to be fair, that our legislators sat down and say, let us create a statute that is unconstitutional. I think things have developed, but we haven't managed to develop.
According to Mr. Makulo, the amendment of the law is necessary to protect the rights of citizens and to prevent a litany of constitutional motions from being brought before the courts. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.